stand at every door, but no one hears my silent prayer. I knock and yet remain unseen, for I am dead, for I am dead. I'm only 7, although I died in Hiroshima long ago. I'm 7 now as I was then. When children die, they do not grow. My hair was scorched by sun and flame. My eyes grew dim, my eyes grew blind. Death came and turned my bones to dust, and that was scattered by the wind. I need no food, I need no rice, I need no sleep, nor even more. I ask for nothing for myself, for I am dead, for I am dead. All that I ask is that for peace you fight today.